Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty of Goa. Today we are visiting Sri Siddhanath Temple located in Boram. It is a very beautiful and peaceful place. Sri Siddhanath Temple is an ancient Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva located in Boram, Ponda, Goa. The temple is perched atop Siddhanath Hill, offering panoramic views of about 60% of Goa at an elevation of 370 meters, 1,240 feet above sea level. The shrine of Siddhanath, Lord Shiva, is perched atop the eponymous hill at an elevation of 370 meters near the village of Boram, Goa. The linga here is of great antiquity, dating back to the 12th C. And the Nath Panthi movement flourished in Goa. This sect also established their presence elsewhere in Goa. The Shaivite deities Adinath of Uskaon, Malanath of Mushel, and a few others are traced to the Nath Panthi. The name of the southern city, Madgaon, is derived from Mathagram. Matha equals monastery, Grama equals village, which in turn harkens back to the Nath Panthi settlement. From this vantage location, there is a fine view to be had of the Zuari River basin. Until very recently, getting to it was not easy. It required a 2 miles trudge up a steep dirt path. A new sealed road completed in the last 2/3 years has now enabled access to cars and other vehicles. This is a serene environment, perhaps the kind of isolated idyll Nath Panthis sought for their practices. Enjoy watching full video.